Feeling exhausted or like you can't catch your breath? Let yourself pause. Close your eyes if you want. God is here with you in this very moment, inviting you to rest and be fully known. Jesus, I'm tired, sometimes in ways I can't explain. Thank you for inviting me to come as I am. Help me lay down what I can't carry and find rest in your presence, not just for my body, but for my soul. Amen. Take a slow breath and imagine handing your burdens to God. If you're longing for rest, save it for later. I'm holding this prayer with you. Please give yourself permission to pause and bless you.